everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy it. And also, I'm new to doing this. I'm new to doing makeup tutorials on YouTube, so it's a little weird for me. Sometimes I get a little nervous, but bear with me. I hope you guys like the looks that I'm doing, and let me know in the comment section and I'll do whatever you guys want me to. I'll try my best anyways. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the looks. Thanks. Okay, for foundation, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Lumi. I'm gonna use a beauty blender and just blend it over the face. Just blend it everywhere, all over, into the hairline. And again, I absolutely love this foundation. So luminous. It blends really easily. I don't even need to wet my beauty blender when I'm using this foundation just because it's already so liquidy. For me personally, I like the coverage. I don't want too full coverage, but this does cover like any redness or certain imperfections. Next is concealer, and I'm going to go in with my Fit Me concealer in the shade 15. Just going to add that all over under my eyes. Just like that. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just blend that all in. I always go up on top of my eyelids so that it does a really, adds a really brightening effect, and for a eyeshadow base. Now with the Hourglass veil powder, take a small fluffy brush, just add some all underneath my eye. I don't like how quick my concealer creases on my eyelids, so I always take the beauty blender and dab it again right before I add some of my eyelids. I'm going to set the rest of my face using my Nude by Nature setting powder. This is in the shade Classic Beige. I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and just add it all over the face. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Nudes palette by Maybelline. I'm going to go in with these two shades. This one, the first one, and the third one. Mix them together and add them all over my eyelid. Alright, now I'm going to add some of the gold shade that's at the bottom here, and add it on my eyelid as well. More towards the corners, the middle to the corners. Like that. From here, from the middle, all the way to the end. Next, I'm gonna go in with these two bottom shades, this bottom shade here, and this one here. That's what I'm gonna put all in my crease, like that. Really gently, I just blend, like that. Down and add it to the corners here. Like that. So you can have a smoky effect. Bring it down. Just follow your eye shape. I'm gonna take a flat brush like this. I'm gonna go in with this shade here. And I'm going to put this underneath my eyebrow, on my brow bone. I'm gonna go in with the dark shades again and just put it against my lower lashes. And in the corner of my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the lightest shade here. Actually add some eyeliner. This is actually the Essence eyeliner pencil. Then I'm just gonna put it as close to my eyelashes as I can. And I'm not doing wing line. Next, I'm doing eyebrows, and I'm gonna go in with my NYX 3-in-1. This is in the shade Brunette. And I'm gonna take the eyebrow gel and use a eyebrow brush. Just apply it that way. Now it's time to contour, so I'm going in with my butter bronzer and my angled fluffy brush. I'm just gonna add it to the cheeks. I make a face like this, so that means I'm adding it in here in this spot. So it's underneath your cheekbone, kind of in the center of your face, but where your eye and your chin meet in the center. And then I'm gonna add some on my forehead, right into my hairline, and down my sides, just a little bit there. Add some to my nose, under my nose and down the sides. Next is blush, and I'm gonna go in with my Milani. This is Hermosa Rose. Just gonna add some to the cheeks. This is a really pretty natural color. Now it's time for my mascara. I'm going in with my Maybelline Great Lash. This is in the big brush, in the shade Blackest Black. That's how the wand looks. My favorite mascara and the only one that I use. Eyelashes are done. Now I'm going in with my Jennifer Lopez highlight. I'm going to take the lightest shade, add some on my finger, put in my Cupid's bow, then use a feather brush to blend it out. And I'm gonna go in and add it all over my cheekbones. Right there. I'm gonna add some to my nose. And lastly, I'm doing my lips, and for lips, I'm gonna use my Soar Lipliner by MAC. And then I'm gonna go in with my Fleshpot lipstick by MAC. Just gonna add it like that. More towards the center. And there you have it. That's the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.